makers, welcome to Make It Monday. My name is Leslie and I'm the Reading Safari and Stream Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to be making leftover gift wrap bunting. So if you have some odd sheets of gift wrap that maybe are left over from your holiday gifts, or you have birthday gift wrap or anything, you can use this to make something known as bunting, which is usually a set of triangles hung on a string, and then you hang it up and it makes everything look a little more festive. So that's what we're going to do today. Come on over here and I'm going to show you what materials you need. You will need gift wrap, leftover gift wrap. You will need some string or some yarn. You will need a pen or pencil, some scissors, some tape or glue, and a ruler is always helpful. So gather those materials and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is cut out some triangles from our gift wrap. Now, if you are lucky, then you might have some gift wrap that has these squares on the other side, and we can make perfect little triangles out of these squares. All you have to do really is to divide these squares in half for one side, and actually I'm going to use my ruler so I can make a straight line, and then you do it for the other side. And so that's a little off, so I'm going to go over here again to remeasure and try to get it a little more. There we go. So that is a better, this divides everything in it too, so it's a more equal triangle. And the cool thing is that this side is what's going to be showing, so nobody's going to see what your mistake is over here. So I'm going to make a bunch of these and cut them all out. Okay, so now this feels like the trickiest part to me, because string can be kind of a little, it's got a mind of its own. So what I like to do is take the side that you're not going to be showing to everybody and put it underneath the string, and then we're going to tape the string onto it. Now you can use glue if you like. I'm opting for tape because it just feels easier to me. It's not going to look perfect, but it wouldn't look perfect with glue either. And remember, the idea is not perfection, but to have fun. So if yours comes out looking a little imperfect, that's okay. And if it comes out looking perfect, well, that's okay too. We just want to have fun here and make something really cool to decorate our house with. And you see how that string, it's got its own ideas about what it should be doing. Yeah, it's kind of, there we go. Okay, I said I was going to leave this tape like this, but I decided not to once I turned it over and saw the way it looked. So I'm going to just take off some of it. Just very carefully, I'm going to slip between the string and the paper to take it off. And then I'm going to do it again here. We've got this little piece of tape here that's just kind of hanging out there. So that's what I'm going to do to clean it up. Okay, so we have our finished bunting here. You can see that we've got all of our triangles taped onto our string, and it's hung up on a wall, and it looks really cute. Now, it's not going to be like a family heirloom or anything. I mean, it'll probably get, after a while, it'll probably get some rips in it and stuff, but it's a really fun and easy way to kind of jazz up your area, especially for the holidays or a birthday or something like that. Especially if you have leftover gift wrap that you don't know what to do with. So anyway, yeah, this is my perfect little Christmas bunting. Thank you so much for tuning in for this Make It Monday, and I will see you next time.